A strand of yarn is 36 inches long and is divided into 3 equal pieces. How long is each piece of yarn? So our answer is going to be each piece of yarn is blank inches long. Okay, so let's see one more time here. A strand of yarn is 36 inches long and is divided into 3 equal pieces. How long is each piece of yarn? Each piece of yarn is blank inches long. How can we figure this out? All right, so what do we know? Well, we know the yarn is 36 inches long. We know that we need to divide it into 3 pieces. And the question is, how long is each piece? Okay, so we already know what we're going to be doing. We can do this in several ways. Our equation is 36 divided by 3. So I know when I add all 3 pieces together, they're going to equal my total of 36, right? So I can do this using fact families. If I know that 6 times 6 is 36, then I also know that 36 divided by 6 equals 6. If I have my multiplication facts memorized, zoom out a little bit, there we go. If I have my facts memorized, then I've already solved the problem. Now let's say that I don't have my facts memorized and I want to use the big 7. I can do that as well, right? So if you remember, the larger number that's getting divided goes on the bottom. The dividend, or the number that we're dividing by, goes on the left side. And then we draw a big 7. And our answer, or quotient, is going to go on top. Okay, so I know that, let's see, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. I know, just real easily, I know my 5s. So I know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 30. So I can put a 5 over here, put my 30 underneath here, and subtract. That's going to leave me 6. And of course, my 6 is going to fit into this 6 one time. 6 times 1 is 6. And now I'm finished because I got to 0. So now I'm just going to add up these 2 numbers on the side here. I'm going to add the 5 plus 1, which gives me 6. And I would have a 0 here. Six inches. All right, let's fill in our complete sentence. Each piece of yarn is 6 inches long.